final hop.
Because we just added 3 bags and it's been over an hour.
Now we're doing the Cascade Yakima hops.
Ooh, Yakima.
It's the Alpha, 6.3%. The aroma
The Alpha?
is a medium floral, citrus, and grapefruit.
The Alpha. Ow!
Mm.
Ow!
Time to add. Time to add. 10 minutes, Em. 10 minutes.
And I will stir. I don't know, Buffkin. We've been trying to keep that gentle boil, right?
We have. We have.
Is there anything that I have a little regret for? Yeah, maybe. Do you have a little regret?
I do. We missed it for 2 minutes.
What were you doing?
Watching Kenny Powers.
Eastbound and down. A little plug in for you, Danny. You're welcome, brother. And now we will transfer the gentle boiling pot into a sink filled with ice. It's been approximately 2 hours. We had to let this baby cool down to what temperature, Austin?
Right about 70 degrees.
70 degrees. And why is that, Dr. Brown? Why do we cool it down to 70?
We need to get it all the way cool to get our specific gravity exactly right based on the correction factor.
Exactly. Another important factor with getting this temperature down to 70 degrees is yeast. Yeast. And why do we not want the temperature too hot when we use yeast, Dr. Brown?
We'll just burn it up.
Burn it up equals what? What happens if you burn the yeast up?
Bad beer.
No alcohol. That's right. Bad beer, no alcohol. So a pro tip when you're using a siphon for the first time. Dr. Brown, lead us through this.
I think based on what I'm watching here, you need to take those big long strokes, Buffkin, all the way to the top and all the way out and in. Yep, exactly like that. Looks beautiful.
So we're back. Been working for quite some time. What have we been doing the last 30 minutes?
Been finding that perfect specific gravity that we wanted. That specific gravity that we were looking for, Chad, between 1.078 and 1.081.
Oh, wow. So we had a certain amount of liquid in there, and our first specific gravity was a little too high, would you say?
It was a little too high.
And what level was that?
It was like, I'd say at least 1.9.
Yeah.
1.09.
Yeah, which is too high for what we had. So we had to add more water to decrease that specific gravity to get the beer that we want. And we did. And this is our sigmometer with the correct specific gravity of
1.078.
Wow. Perfect. And this is our fermentation bucket. I'm about to stir in the yeast and then we'll put it away. Morale is still high. We have a very important ingredient here. What is that, Dr. Brown?
It's our yeast.
Oh, wow. So we've got our yeast. We got our specific gravity. We have our wort that has been hopped over and over tirelessly for the last few hours. Let's sprinkle that yeast in there. A little sprinkle.
Don't stir yet. Only sprinkle.
So, stir the yeast in. Place the lid. Snap it in place to seal this because this is all anaerobic, okay? The fermentation process does not need oxygen. So we will now place a water lock that is halfway filled with water. And it will seal in there. And we'll produce CO2 bubbles for the next 2 weeks. So we're now in the basement where we're going to keep our project. So what temperature, Dr. Brown, does the basement stay at?
Approximately, I'd say 66 to 68 degrees this whole time. If you notice, we're below the ground level, so you get the ground that stays at a constant temperature, and that's our key thing here, is we want to keep it dark as well. So we'll turn out the lights and it'll be nice and dark.
And these can jam cans, what is the purpose of that?
Just to keep it darker.
You got it, folks. May the darkness be with you.